Are you tired of browsing through dozens of listings just to find a local professional and still coming up short? How much time have you wasted trying to find a reliable local service provider? Someone to clean your house or office, a handyman, pool cleaner, or electrician? Getting a perfect service in your local area just got easy as pie. Service Zoom will help you find all these and more in one place and within a few minutes. We have taken the pain in finding the best real estate agents, painters, or landscapers, and more. Just type in your city or zip code in our homepage, then search our database for the service required, and voila! Service Zoom doesn't show you hundreds or thousands of pros to choose from. We only show you the top 10 hand-picked pros per city in your local area. These pros are pre-qualified, pre-screened, and can be trusted as we do background checks on them. No more wasted hours looking for someone to do the work for you and eventually doing it yourself. Go to ServiceZoom.com and find your local pro today.